Are you passionate about horses and interested in a hands-on career in the racing industry? In this video, we'll take you through the essential duties of a stable hand, the qualifications you'll need, salary expectations, and how to get started in this exciting profession. Let's dive in. First, let's explore what does a stable hand do. A stable hand plays a crucial role in maintaining the well-being of horses, especially in the horse racing industry. They assist with grooming, feeding, and saddling horses, ensuring that stables are clean and organized. Stable hands often work closely with horse grooms in various settings, including racing stables, breeding farms, and adjustment centers. Working as a stable hand means early starts, sometimes as early as 3 a.m., and the job often includes weekends and public holidays. It's a demanding role, but incredibly rewarding for those who love working with horses. So, what are the key stable hand duties? Whether it's by riding horses, walking them, or even taking them for a swim, a significant part of the job revolves around equine care, ensuring horses are well groomed, fed, and ready for races or events. Other stable hand responsibilities include cleaning stables, preparing bedding, and managing training equipment. Before and after races, stable hands play a vital role in preparation and care of the horses. This includes things like washing and drying them, ensuring they are comfortable and well cared for. Next, let's talk about the skills and qualifications you need to be a stable hand. While you don't need formal qualifications to become a stable hand, obtaining a stable hand license is essential. This involves submitting an application, providing a reference from a licensed trainer, and passing a national police check. For those looking to advance their career, you can consider completing a Certificate 3 in racing. These qualifications can lead to roles such as a stable supervisor or a stud groom. Now for the big question: how much does a stable hand make? The average annual stable hand salary in Australia ranges from $40,000 to $60,000, with the typical salary being around $50,000 per year. If you're working on an hourly basis, the stable hand pay rate ranges from $25 to $30 per hour. Stable hand wages can vary based on location, experience, and whether you're working full-time or casually. For example, experienced stable hands working in top racing stables might earn at the higher end of the scale. Finally, let's discuss how to become a stable hand. If you're just starting out and want to get a taste test for the field, studying a short online course in equine care is a great first step. These equine courses will help you build initial skills and understand the basics of equine care, setting a solid foundation for your career. After that, you can pursue entry-level qualifications such as a Certificate 2 or 3 in racing. Stable hand courses like these will provide you with the specific skills needed for the job and open up further opportunities for career progression. Once you're licensed and trained, you can start applying for stable hand jobs, and then with experience, you can advance to higher positions, such as a stable manager or even an assistant director. P.S. If you found this video by searching for terms like stable hand salary Australia or stable hand job description, make sure you comment search term hero below so we know our content is reaching the right audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.